What's going on, guys? Good morning. I'm Johnny, owner of Blades of Grass Lawn Care. Just wanted to ask you guys a quick question. Well, happy Sunday morning, first of all. I'm here at my storage location, ensuring that everything is good to go for the week. So the way I do it is I will look at the list of things that I have going on, and I will pre-plan for the week. I try not to wait until the day prior or a couple of days before. I like to be a little bit more organized than that. Today is Sunday morning. I usually come out and do my maintenance early in the morning. I'm talking about, as a matter of fact, right now is like 8 o'clock and I'm finished. So here's all my equipment. Everything is washed, everything is clean, everything is checked. And basically all I'm doing now is just using a blower to blow everything off, and then double check the oil on the machines and start putting stuff up. So by 8:30, 9 o'clock, I'm finished. I'm back home, and by that time, you know, my kids, my wife, everybody's up, ready to start the day. So when do you do your maintenance? Do you have a crew leader? If you do have a crew that comes in and do your maintenance check, ensuring that your air filters are free of debris, ensuring that your blades are sharp, ensuring that your motors have the right amount of oil, you know, ensuring that everything is clean, ensuring that everything is in a working condition. Because the reality is, when you move around with this, with the trailer, with the equipment, you know, things kind of move around and they get loose. So you have to check little things like that. So yeah, when do you do yours? Do you wait until the day off, early morning, you come in early morning, and then you start running around trying to get this together, trying to get that together? Is that the way you do it? Let's talk about it. You know, put it in the comment below, and guys that are just coming into the business can kind of see, you know, how certain people do it. And then, you know, you can take from the comments in the bottom and kind of, you know, make your own judgment depending on what you're doing, right? But yeah, I like to wash my equipment at least once a month. Hit it with the pressure washer, or wash it off, whichever way. You know, I just like to wash it. There's no specific way. It depends on how I feel. So, you know, sometimes I put some degreaser, and sometimes I just hit it with the pressure washer real quick. But at the end of the day, if you maintain your equipment, if you keep cleaning your equipment all the time, it makes it a lot easier for you to keep your equipment clean. Now, if you wait until once a month or once a year, then yes, it's going to take a lot of time for you to get that piece of equipment the way you want it, correct? So yes, guys, let me know. When do you actually clean your equipment? When do you actually maintain your equipment? Again, nothing much. Early morning, get it done and get it over with. And again, remember, guys, yes, you can say, well, you know, you have guys working for you. They should be able to be checking your stuff. Guys, let me tell you, you pay for this stuff. It is your money. It is your company. It is your reputation. Okay? There's nothing against checking the checker. That's what it's all about. You have to check your guys because we're human. We're human, and sometimes we forget things. You know, I have my guys that remind me of certain things a lot of time because, you know, I have so much going on. So guys, you know, they're out there ensuring that your stuff is being mowed, or you are out there ensuring that your stuff is being mowed, and you tend to neglect your equipment. And when do you want to say, man, I wish I would have, could have, should have, is when it breaks. And then you're running around trying to get this stuff fixed, right? All right, I'm starting to blab, just talk crazy. Guys, have a blessed one. Put it in the comment below. When do you perform your maintenance and what best works for you? And if you have a suggestion of when I should be doing mine instead of the weekends, put it in the comment below. Okay? All right, guys, have a blessed one. Pop Smoke. Peace.